Well, moving on to other big headlines now. On the day the country was hit with yet another terrorist attack, President Uhuru Kenyatta is now officially off the hook. The ICC trial chamber 5B has terminated the president's case. The court today issued its decision on the withdrawal of charges in the case against President Uhuru Kenyatta.
And in good faith, exactly 4 years and 3 months since the then International Criminal Court Chief Prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo named Uhuru Kenyatta as part of the infamous Ocampo 6, the president has finally shaken the proverbial monkey off his back.
All right, veuillez vous lever.
The International Criminal Court has terminated crimes against humanity charges against Kenyatta. The ICC Trial Chamber 5B judges Kuniko Ozaki, Robert Femer and Geoffrey Henderson ruled on Friday to terminate the proceedings in the case and to vacate the summons to appear against President Kenyatta. This was after the prosecution's withdrawal of charges against him. The judges, however, stressed that although the proceedings will be terminated, the court retains jurisdiction over any interference with the witness or with the collection of evidence. The court will still punish those that may have interfered with the proceedings. The ICC also maintained that the protective measures ordered for witness and victims will continue, subject to the review by the court. In its previous decision on December 3rd last year, the court had directed prosecutor Fatou Bensouda to either proceed with the case against President Kenyatta or withdraw the charges.
Sought to identify and prosecute those most responsible for crimes committed during the post-election violence.
The threat of termination was imminent, but the prosecution was at liberty to bring new charges against the accused at a later date, based on the same or similar factual circumstances, should it obtain sufficient evidence to support such a course of action. Earlier, in March 2015, the chamber had granted the prosecutor's request to appeal the decision, declining to refer to the Assembly of State Parties the matter in relation to non-compliance of the Kenyan government with its obligations under the Rome Statute. President Kenyatta, who is on an official visit of Japan, has always maintained his innocence. A major legal battle to prove his innocence has been ongoing since the charges were confirmed in 2012. From the original Ocampo 6, it is now just Deputy President William Ruto and former radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang in the only Kenyan case at the International Criminal Court. For the victims of the 2007-2008 post-poll violence, however, the long, painful wait for justice continues. Najma Ismail, KTN Friday Briefing.